Hey guys, Patrick Johnston, GoDominicanLife.com and LasTerrenosLife.com right here in beautiful Las Terrenas. What we're going to show you now is this. It's called El Deposito. And what that is simply a store when you're living here and something breaks, you need something quickly, a toaster oven, some artwork, a replacement of this, a replacement of that. This is your go-to spot for all the gringos from wherever you are in the world to find that little thing that you just can't normally find here. Check it out. I bet you saw something that you could desire when you're here. Always the issue is that when you need something at the beach and you need it today because it broke, as simple as a toaster, it's not always easy to find like that. This place will help you out in the long term. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We're here to help you in all your real estate needs at 829-525-1782 on my WhatsApp. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.